Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the quality timber in Heartopia. The timber that has a half part like this one that looks like this, and this timber is very important material. You can use it to craft any furniture or just use it to complete the resident request, and right now it's also required for the prep phase of the upcoming Call of Wheels event. And to getting it, it's actually super easy. Just head to the trees that has no fruits like this, and then just equip your eggs, and then just tap on the X button like this, and then just tap on it, and then from this you can get the quality timber. You can just walk around and then just tap the trees that has no fruits to collect as much rare timber as possible like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.